Hello, and thank you for your interest in CompassPOINT Legal Cloud Services. This video is best displayed in 720 HD. Use the HD setting icon in the lower right to adjust the video to 720p. The video may also be seen in full screen by clicking the full screen icon in the lower right. In this video, we're going to explore the different options one has with CompassPOINT Cloud Hosting. CompassPOINT Cloud Hosting gives your firm the ability to work anywhere, anytime, from any device through a secure connection. Before we get to the actual demonstration, let's look at the benefits. A firm will be able to reduce the cost. If a firm eliminates not only the cost of server hardware, but all the other costs associated with it, such as monthly monitoring maintenance, other auxiliary hardware, and software such as UPS battery, backup solutions, antivirus, and more. In addition, CompassPOINT Legal will handle the IT support services. With the CompassPOINT Cloud services, even the small firms can afford enterprise solutions that normally cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to set up and run. Here are just a few of the legal applications we can run for a law firm. We offer plans that will fit any law firm budget without requiring a contract. For firms that just need a billing software hosted, we offer plans at a reduced rate in the standard plan. This application is a published application and will appear to run locally when in fact it is running on a cloud server. This allows a firm to run a more robust billing application such as Tabs 3 or PC Law, as opposed to other cloud billing solutions that have limited features because they are still developing those features. Now on to the demonstration. An icon for the billing software is on the desktop. This program is not installed locally but runs from our cloud server. In this demonstration, we'll use Tabs 3. I'm prompted for my Tabs 3 login. A secure connection has already been made to the cloud server. I can do anything I would like in Tabs 3. Create a fee entry, run a report, print the report to my local printer, create a draft bill, At this point, I'd like to point out that Tabs 3 is running from the cloud desktop. If you'll notice in the Task Manager, Tabs 3 is not running, but it's actually a remote desktop. Other applications can also run as published application, which appear to run locally. To demonstrate this, I'll run WorldDocs, a popular document management software. After completing a search, I can open up the Word document, Word will start as a published application displaying the document, at which time I can edit, print, or save the document. Most firms, when running several applications from the cloud, will elect to run a full hosted desktop. This is a Windows desktop which is available from any device that has internet access. The hosted desktop will be unique to each user. While in the hosted desktop, a user can run any application that has been installed. I'll open up a Word document that is on my hosted desktop. This particular desktop is using Word 2010. Other versions of Word are available upon request. Just like in the published application of Word, I can edit and save the document and print it to my local printer. A user can transfer files between the hosted desktop and local desktop. Here I have a series of Word documents on the hosted desktop. If I move my cursor to the top of the screen, I can minimize the hosted desktop, and I see no documents. To transfer a document between the hosted desktop and the local desktop, one can simply right-click, select Copy, minimize the hosted desktop, and paste. This document is now on my local desktop. When I go to open it, it uses a local copy of Word, which happens to be Word 2013. I can make a change to the document and save it, close the document. Then I can move the document back from my local desktop to my hosted desktop, at which I can overwrite or save it into a different location. Take a situation in which the intention is to open up a document, change it, but create a new document in the process. Instead, the original document which needs to be kept was overwritten. This document has now been modified and the original overwritten, but we want to get the original document back. To do so, close the document, to retrieve the original document, simply go to Windows Explorer, go out to the network drive, and go to the user's desktop folder. Right-click and select Restore from Previous. Select the time in which you want to restore from and select Open. We can now select the document and copy it over to the live desktop. We now have both documents, the original and the edit document. The original file was restored with almost virtually no effort. The same is true for a document deleted. Here I'm going to demonstrate a document deleted off the network drive by mistake. This document is going to be permanently deleted and will not end up in the recycle bin. See, no documents there. To retrieve the original document that has been deleted, again, it's simply right-click on the folder, Restore Previous Version, open up a folder from a previous point in time, copy it, and paste it to the live data drive. The file has now been restored. If the local computer loses connection for any reason, such as operating system failure, a dropped internet connection, a power outage, when the user reconnects, the state of the cloud desktop is right where the user last saw it. To demonstrate this, we'll open up a Word document, and now we're going to simulate a dropped internet connection. Our internet connection has dropped and we've lost access to the remote desktop. When the internet connection is restored, simply restart the virtual desktop. The cloud desktop is restored to the point in which the user last saw it. Even if the user goes to another computer, the desktop moves over to the other device. This makes it easy to be working at the office and go home and resume right where you left off from the office network connection. This concludes our presentation of the cloud desktop. I hope you'll join us for other presentations. If you have any questions on the cloud desktop or other services that CompassPOINT offers, please visit us at www.compasspointlegal.com or call 855-659-1500. Thank you again for joining us.